some fluffy slime today. Hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, today you are going to be needing some Elmer's glue. I just showed you specifically some Elmer's glue, some shaving cream, some lotion, and then of course borax. I'm going to add the glue, add some shaving cream, and then we are going to mix that together. Really just mix it, okay? I want it to be I want it to almost all be together. And then after this, you are gonna just keep mixing it. And I couldn't get the spoon to stand up right, sorry. And you're gonna add some borax solution, which is 1 cup of warm water. Make sure it's warm or it doesn't work. And then half a teaspoon of borax. Keep adding it until, well, it becomes slime, or you think it at least became slime. Just add and mix and mix. Mix, and then until it doesn't really stick to your hand, you're gonna not add any more. So it stuck to my hand, so I'm gonna add some more. And then you're gonna take it out and mix it with your hands. Warning, your hands might get a little messy. Because of the shaving cream, but it will mix in there, and afterwards your hands will feel like pillows, or like you mixed a pillow or a cloud, whatever. Then you're really gonna mix it until there's almost nothing on your hands. And then you're just gonna keep mixing it. Mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it. Ooh, 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 ooh. See, it's still a little bit sticky, but. And then you're gonna add whatever else was in the bowl to really try to get it fluffy. Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. See, it's still a little bit on my hands, but good thing about slime is that once it's slimy, you could actually take the slime off of your hands. Then you just kind of get all of those other ingredients in there until you can't. Like until it's really stuck to the bowl. So fluffy, it's like a cloud. But it also gets a little bit on your hands at first. Then I chose to add some lotion. This is totally optional, but I chose it because it will make it more stretchier. So if you like stretchy slime, this is good for it. And almost any lotion can do, will do. Then you just really mix it in. Even though it might feel a little weird at first and maybe get on your hands and create some bubbles, it still helps it. And I used some food coloring that was in Corinna Garcia's slime kit. It kind of worked. It made it a different texture, that's for sure. You could say it ruined the slime, but depends what you very ruined
This did not work.
meant or means to you.
Food coloring, what did you do?
You can't really see the color on camera. It's not as bright as when it showed up. And then it was kind of like getting rid of the shaving cream or getting rid of the borax. Now, here are some ASMR videos.